Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do one variable statistics on a TI-84. This should work on TI-84 or 83. So what you want to do first is make sure your screen is black, and then we want to go to Stat, and then Edit. And we want to enter some data for our first list. If you already have numbers in here, you're going to want to go to the list 1, press the clear button, and then press down, and it will clear the entire list. So now we're going to enter our data. So I'm going to do 5, enter, 7, enter, 10, enter. I'm just entering all of my data from the problem I gave in Algebra 2. Alright, so once all your data is entered, what you're going to do next is press Stat again. You're going to go over to Calculate, and you're going to hit Enter for one variable statistics. We want the first list because that's what we entered. You can leave this blank and then hit Calculate. And then there it is. So if we press down, we can get to the rest that we can't see and press up to go back. So we have our max, our third quartile, etc. We have mean, standard deviation. So that is how you do it in an 84.